Gather round, folks, and lend me your
All right, guys, we're in Columbia, Illinois, checking on the Hardwood team.
that we hold so dear.
Show you what we're doing here. We're sanding about over 1,300 square feet of hardwood. We're gonna stain it with a walnut with a satin sheen.
AOCleaning brings hope and wipes away fears. A touch and a shine from the past to the new. Restoring the
We got things plastic off here, as you can see. This is a gun stock semi-gloss, and we're sanding it down. We got a couple samples that we're doing. Showing some sample boards. You guys see, we always plastic off everything we're doing. Blue taped all the baseboards. Hey, yo, let's go. We're also doing the steps. All right, guys. So again, just to recap, this is a red oak, 2 1/4, 3/4 thick hardwood floor, semi-gloss. A lot of abrasions, a lot of scratches. This is a gun stock. It got a little bit of sun fading right here. See that from the windows, and that's really a common problem. And the only way to get that taken care of is to sand it, stain it, and recoat it. So this kind of sheen and floor was popular like back in 2000s. And this floor is again 20 plus years old. So they want a complete sand, stain, and recoat. And they did decide to go with Propical, which is right here, like almost like a regular walnut. A lot of character there. And they're gonna go with this one right here. So we did a couple samples to see which one they like better, and she liked this one. So we're gonna go with that, and we're gonna coat it with a satin sheen. And as you can see, my sanding team always mask off. That's what AO does. And we blue tape everything. It's all in the prep, guys. And essentially, it takes us a full day to mask everything off and blue tape all the baseboards and get everything where it needs to be. That way we can properly sand the floors and get things clean. So in doing this, people always ask how much dust. We barrel sand and we have a dust containment system, but there's still going to be a lot of particulate that kind of hangs around, that they're airborne and you can't see. But we do our due diligence to make sure we completely make it as dust free as possible. So that's what we're doing. You can see the baseboards are all blue taped off, and that's the AO standard, guys. That's what my AO sanding team does. Make sure it's efficient. And this client, Jill and Don, are really excited to get it done. And we're also doing their steps right here. And we got the hallway going. We got the bedrooms we're going to be doing. Yeah, these floors are looking great, guys. We got the closet area right there. We got the clothes plastic off. So we do a really intentional job of making sure that we're doing the best possible job we can to make this hardwood floor flat. And once we get it flat with our different grit sequences, then at that point, when it's flat, then it can adhere to new stain and new protection. So that's what we're doing. Got our edger there. Pretty nice day out here too in the Midwest. I think it's right around maybe 60 degrees. Perfect weather to do floors. Got this for your ear we're going to be doing. So yeah, guys, this is a second day on the job. Usually the first day we're prepping because all in the prep, and then the second day we usually start the sanding sequences, and then tomorrow into Monday, or even Saturday rather, we'll do the different sequences. So by hopefully Monday or Tuesday we can start not sanding. We can start staining, and then midweek of next week, probably Wednesday, we'll start coating, and then by Thursday we'll have the second coat on there as well. And then by Friday, we can actually do a walkthrough to see the overall look of it. So that's what we're doing. Typically, 1,300 plus square feet. This typically takes, with the steps included, a good 7 to 10 day duration. We always give them a little more. I did tell the client 12 to 14 days. We always like to give more in case there's any kind of issues. But that's what we're doing, guys. So stay tuned. And as always, if you need the service or want a quote, give us a call. We do free phone estimates with pictures, close-ups of area of concern, and then roughly we can give you roughly a square footage. Or we also do in-home estimates. If you're local, within a 5-mile radius, we can come to you. If not, we do charge a $75 consultation fee to come out to you, measure, look at your wood profile, your wood species, identify what you're wanting to convey, and do an in-depth measurement and consultation. And if you move forward with our service, of course, that does come off your invoice. We're making it free. And that's just really for people that are serious and know that they want to get their hardwood floor finished. So, but please reach out to us, AOCleaning.com, or give us a good old phone call. And also be sure to follow us on Facebook as well. And follow us on, subscribe to our channel on YouTube. So, all right, guys. Hope this educated you. Hope that this added value to you. Please support us and follow us and like us. And stay tuned for more of our hardwood floors.
For a tale of the hardwood that we hold so dear. In a world where the floors wear the marks of the years, AOCleaning brings hope and wipes away fears. A touch and a shine from the past to the new, restoring the beauty, it's what we do true. AOCleaning, we're your guiding light. From dusk until dawn, we'll make floors bright. We've got the plan, your floors will sing.
Alright guys, a little update. You can see the AOCleaning team already sanding this down.
We're ready to serve, to keep your hardwood floors elegant.
You can see we're finishing up over here. Got that little bit to go. And what a difference, guys. We still gotta do the edging, but this is coming good. Still gotta do the steps. Wow, what a difference. And we did 36, we did this 36, and then we still gotta do 60s, 100s, 120s, and then we can fine tune it, but this is raw. So again, guys, whenever you completely sand your floors, this is what it means when it gets down to raw wood. We take off all the stain and clear coat, get everything flat, all the scratches, dents, wear and tear to make it new. And then it's ready to accept stain and poly, or just poly if you're not going to stain it. So that's what we're doing. It's going good. Again, shout out to my hardwood team. They're doing a great job. Hey, yo, let's go. Stay tuned.
Open the door, let the light in. AOCleaning.
All right, guys, this is the result here. This is the stain, and we'll be back tomorrow to coat it. Hey, yo, let's go. All right, guys, we are here on the job. The sanding team was working hard on it. My main tech here is with me, Jerry Sr., and you can just see this is the beautiful hardwood floors that we did. We sanded down, and we put a stain choice on there for her choosing, and very, very good. And she's excited, and she can't wait to see it. And this is a satin sheen, just the first coat. We have another coat to go starting tomorrow, but we're letting this dissipate and flash off. And guys, you can see I'm walking on it now. My socks looks gorgeous. It's flat, and this floor is back to the original state. And you can see how beautiful it looks. And the stain choice they picked, I tell you what, she did kind of wanted it where it was a little brown and just was beautiful. And that stain choice she picked, what was that stain choice, Jerry? What was that stain choice she picked out? Yeah, it was a Provincial. Okay, great stain choice she picked out. So shout out to Jill. The stuff turned out great. Hallway looks beautiful, and you can see the. Check out this living room, guys. Look at this. Dining room, kitchen. Look at this, guys. Absolutely stunning. Closet. We kept this taped off. In the other area, he's pulling the blue tape off now. Guys, absolutely stunning. They did a great job. Knocked out of the park like we always do. AO fashion. And she's going to love it, guys. So, another happy client. Another one for the books. And she's got some spindles coming and some baluster. All right, guys, check out the same what the same team did. AO knocked out the park. It's beautiful satin sheen, provincial stain choice. Wow, guys, look at this.
We roll up our sleeve. We've been the best.
Look at that.
Owned, forget the rest. Let's restore it. Let's refine. AO cleaning, your floors dance alive. Let's restore it. Let's refine. AO cleaning, your floors divine. From hardwood to tile, we'll make it pop.
All right, guys, we are doing it to it. The AO hardwood band out. Team's on scene. This is the last day. We're doing a hardwood sand and recoat. This is the last day we're recoating. Let's check on the team now. Hey, let's go. Beautiful day out here. Let's check it out here. There's my main guy there, Jerry.
We're sanding them down now.
Perfect. You guys can see, got the beautiful biblical stain, satin sheen. We're braiding it so it can adhere to new protection. You guys, the client loves it. We are on it. You can just see how it's going to look. This is only the first coat. We got 2 coats to go, and we're doing it to it. The guys just knocked it out of the park, guys. So you got the stairs. Right now, we're just braiding, screening it, if you will, so it can adhere to the second coat. And it's going good. The team is doing a phenomenal job. So we're just so passionate about what we do here at AOCleaning. Again, if you need the service, reach out to us. We got you covered. And we're doing it now.
We'll save your hardwood floors, make them shine bright. Screen and recoat in the same day and night. Step back in just a few hours, no others to
All right, guys, I'm with my main guy, Jerry. He's the lead guy on all of my floor jobs. He's also on all my vehicles. But he did a great job doing this floor. And look at this floor, guys. Look at this. This is only the first coat. All right, guys, this is the first look for my clients, Don and Jill. They're excited. And without further ado, come on in, guys, and check out your new floors.
What do you think, buddy? Look at these. Like ice skate on it. Huh?
High five? What do you think, little buddy? Look good? Don, high five?
Hey, man, thanks.
Welcome.
Ooh, wow.
Hey guys, with my clients, Jill and Don and their beautiful son, and today we're doing a testimonial because they want to speak to of our experience with our company, with AOCleaning Hardwood Restoration, because we did their hardwood floors, and guys, they're just blown away. And they want to speak to it, so without further ado, guys, take it away.
Cheaper than sand, it will make it pure. Visit our site at 𝐼𝐶woodfloors.com.
Cruising in ahead of time, kind of told us what to expect. We were able to do everything out of the way. They kind of talked us through the process, kept us informed pretty much daily on how things were going, if there was going to be any sort of holdups or anything. Really, everything went off really without a hitch. The floors turned out phenomenal. We did sneak in a couple, not in, but peek through the garage or the door a couple times and kind of watched, and really a neat process, kind of watching him on the different Facebook posts, but really did a great job.
Yeah.
Thank
And
you.
it's like coming home to a brand new house.
Yeah.
Awesome, awesome. All right, guys, we appreciate that feedback. Let other clients know what the job they can expect from us. And as always, enjoy your beautiful hardwood floors, and congratulations.
Gather round, folks, and lend me your ear for a tale of the hardwood that we hold so dear. In a world where the floors wear the marks of the years, AOCleaning brings hope and wipes away fears. A touch and a shine from the past to the new, restoring the beauty, it's what we do true.